I'm Dr. Nora Ibrahim. I'm a facial plastic surgeon. So I did an ENT training, and then with the ENT training after that, I did a dedicated fellowship in facial plastic surgery and primarily cosmetic surgery. Why I chose facial plastic surgery is because it requires such a detailed approach. So having every millimeter considered for the face and making sure that every portion of the face is harmonious with each other and kind of keeping the integrity of the person alive. My favorite patient and my favorite kind of case to do is facial rejuvenation. So that's everything within facial rejuvenation, from face lifting and brow lifting, upper lids, lower lids, fat grafting, and helping kind of decide which procedures to help. I grew up here in the West Suburbs. It's been nice to kind of serve my community where I grew up.